Hi everyone, we are in Coolidge, Texas, right by the little post office. Zip code 76635. You've got the Baptist church right across the street. Let's take a look at this little town. There's not really much to it, but there's enough to it to make a video. This is a nice old building. This probably could have been a filling station at some point. I'm not quite sure. I'm experimenting with the mic this time, so hopefully the audio will be a little better. I'm just not sure. Here's the first landmark of Coolidge, Texas. We have the old wrecked, is that a PT Cruiser? Yep, good old PT Cruiser. Hey! Okay, I was interrupted for a second. So people stopped and asked me about the PT Cruiser, and I don't know anything about it. There's probably a story behind it. Here's a public building. Justice of the Peace, Mike Bell. Mike Bell will throw the book at you if you do something wrong in Coolidge, Texas. Now this is an interesting old building that's been newified, if that's a word. I am not very fond of this choice of architecture. They covered the front facade of this beautiful building with steel. That is a travesty, and I do not endorse it. This building was probably built in 1901 or whatever, and it's just hidden behind steel. Come on, people. Not a very old building, but interesting. Well, not interesting. It's that 50s boring minimalist architecture. And we got the Coolidge Volunteer Fire Department with the burn ban in effect. So, no campfires in Coolidge. And we got another empty building. This is the Johnson house. Not sure if anything's going on. Yeah, this might be a bar. And inside here is the husk of an old building. And we got another derelict building right here as well. This is an interesting little building right here. This could have, yeah, this probably was in the old gas station at some point. So now it's a, well, I'm not quite sure. They got church pews right in front. I wonder if they're selling those, but nice big old building. It's got good bones. Well, except for that crack right there. Yeah, we got a little bit of advertising right here. You got the, looks like that was a furniture building at some point. Which has now become Fern Gully. Nature just takes over whenever you just leave things alone. If you don't live in it, it's going to get taken over by something. There's a nice old building. The husk of another old building. And we got the bank. This bank probably employs a good deal of residents in this town, I bet. A lot of farms in this area. Here's that steel-clad building from across the street. Just disappoints me. Come on, guys. Let's take some pride in our building and our architecture and our preservation of our old buildings. As you can tell, we're back where we started, out by the mystery PT Cruiser. And this big old building, which I can't tell what it was for. Probably agriculture related. I see a little grain silo thing, or grinder, I'm not sure. And that's it. There's the post office. Coolidge, Texas. Thank you very much for this short walk through town, and remember, you're all dearly loved. There's a little doggy. Hey, doggy. You just sleeping there. What's going on, dog? Yeah, he's just hanging out. Just hanging out. Well.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Are you with Channel 10?
No, I'm just recording it for my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Because if you was with Channel 10, we sure would like to talk to you.
Well, unfortunately not, but I'm sure if they're out there, I'll tell them you're looking for them. Hey, can you tell me about that PT Cruiser? What's the story with it?
It's supposed to be for the fire department to train on, but it's been sitting here for 2 years. They ain't done nothing with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let me pull over here. We've been talking to one of the YouTube guys.
Uh-huh.